Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Google Sites content before migration, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Google Sites content before migration, begin by logging into your Google account. Access the Google Sites platform by navigating to the Google Sites homepage. Select the specific site you wish to backup from your list of sites. Once your site is open, review its structure and content to ensure you capture all necessary components. Start with the home page by clicking on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Choose the Manage Site option from the drop-down menu. In the Management settings, locate the Pages section to view all the pages of your site. Click on each page to open it individually, and copy the text content to a document. For images, right-click on each image and select Save Images to download them to your computer. Next, return to the site and access any embedded files or documents you have linked. Download these files individually if they are stored in Google Drive or linked externally. Once all pages and associated content are backed up, navigate to your site settings. Look for the Export option, if available, to generate a copy of your site. Review the export file to ensure all elements have been captured correctly. If your site contains custom HTML or embedded code, make sure to copy any additional code separately. After backing up all necessary content, organize your files into folders for easier retrieval. Label your folders clearly to identify each part of your previous site. This organization will make the migration process smoother and more efficient. Finally, store your backup in a secure location, such as an external hard drive or a cloud storage solution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.